Meet Geet, an airplane approach controller, who basically guides the pilot regarding the weather. Geet had a secret crush on her classmate Man Khurrana, who is now a pilot. Man had gone abroad after his schooling, but Geet could not forget him yet, so she did not want to marry anyone else, but her mother explains her that how long can she wait for that boy, so she asks her to go on a blind date. Soon we see Man, who has returned from abroad, and Man's mother also wanted her to get married soon, so she asks her to go on a blind date. Next, Geet comes on the blind date and sees that her blind date is Man, and seeing him there, Geet cannot believe her eyes and thinks that she wishes she had dressed up properly. Now both of them come to know that their parents have forcefully sent them on a blind date. Man is talking to her normally and Geet is surprised that Man did not recognize her. Man was a popular boy in school and Geet liked him, but Man never noticed her in school even though he was her classmate. Now Geet is very close to him. She wanted to tell him that she was his classmate, but she doesn't get the right chance and Man had to go for some important work, so he talks about dropping Geet to her house. But Geet refuses, saying that she doesn't want to give him any trouble. Soon Geet comes to know that there is a class reunion party, so next day she comes to that party and her classmates don't recognize her because Geet used to look very beautiful, but she used to be very simple during school time. Now her classmates try to show Geet down that she must have got plastic surgery done, but Geet tells them the opposite and says that it is clearly visible who has got plastic surgery done and who hasn't, and all the classmates start laughing at that girl, so she gets irritated and goes out. Soon Man comes there and sees that Geet has also come. Now all the classmates of Man are praising him that he is such a good pilot, and Man tells everyone that Geet is an approach controller, and everyone was impressed with Geet after knowing this. Geet asks how did he know, and Man tells that his mom told him about her during the blind date and says that I did not know that we both are classmates. Geet says that you did not recognize me, so I did not think it necessary to tell you, and Geet's classmate calls her other classmate Ria, and Ria gets angry at Geet that she bullied her friend and asks Geet to apologize and starts saying bad things about her, but Geet also tells her that you are the mistress of some old man and you are saying bad things about me. Ria starts saying that you look at yourself, you have grown up so much and still you are not able to get married. I don't know if anyone will marry you or not. Geet remembers how in school time, along with her half-sister Sasha, these two used to bully her and tried to humiliate her by saying that she is the daughter of a mistress, but at that time Man saves Geet from being bullied. Now after remembering everything, Geet clearly refuses to apologize, so Ria is her mom. Ria starts threatening her about this and is about to tell her that Ria is the daughter of a mistress, but Man tells her to stop talking nonsense and says that she used to bully Geet even during school time and is still doing it, and Geet was surprised that Man remembers all those things and she gets confidence from Man's words, so she asks Ria to apologize and both of them leave from there after apologizing. Later Man says that both their families are pressurizing them for marriage and both of their situations are the same, so he asks Geet to marry him and says that after marriage we will see what we have to do next. Now Geet says something when Man gets some important work-related calls, so he asks Geet to think carefully before answering and leaves, and Geet was very happy that Man himself is asking her to marry him. Later both are at work and Geet is guiding Man. When Geet comes out of the office, she sees Man waiting for her. Man is going to drop her home. Geet is very nervous at first, but she is very happy that she is going to marry Man. After reaching home, Man again mentions about marriage and what he has thought, and Geet says yes to the marriage, and finally her dream of so many years was going to come true. Next, both go to the civil bureau and collect their marriage certificate. Now both of them are married. Man brings her to his house and says that if she is ready to share the room, he has no problem. But Geet was nervous, so she says that she will sleep in the guest room. Man feels strange hearing this, so he asks, "Do you hate me?" But Geet says that it is not like that. Man says that if I make my wife listen to me in the guest room, what will people think about me? He asks her to sleep in the bedroom and says that if you change your mind later then call me, and Geet was very happy with his gesture. Soon Geet gets a call from her mother and congratulates her that finally she got married. Now Geet's father comes to know about Geet's marriage and he calls Geet's mother, but Geet's mother gets angry at him because Geet's father cheated her with Sasha's mother. That's why she says that now they are divorced, so she refuses to call like this. It was clear that Geet's mother was not a mistress, on the contrary her father cheated her mother. Now Geet's half-sister Yang Shi and her mother get jealous that Geet has got such a good job, so now Sasha wants to put her down. Now Sasha's mother asks about Man, that how far has her talk of cheating reached, because she wanted Yang Shi and Man to get married. Because the Khurrana family was very rich and powerful, but Yang Shi tells that Man does not care for her at all, but she will make Man her own. Now to humiliate Geet, she deliberately invites her for lunch and asks her to apologize to Ria and threatens that if she does not apologize then she will tell everyone that she is the daughter of a mistress. But Geet says that my mom is not a mistress, and on the contrary, Sasha's mom changed Sasha's age so that she can show everyone that her daughter Sasha is older than Geet and prove that not her but Geet's mom is the mistress. Now Sasha starts making fun of Geet that you remember how my mom got you and your mom thrown out of the house, and on hearing this, Geet gets very angry at Sasha and in anger, she throws milk on her, and when Fu Jung comes, Yang Shi pretends to be nice that Geet was bullying her. But she sees that Man is caring for Geet instead and she does not understand why both of them are talking so lovingly. Sasha invites Man for dinner today, but Geet says that Man is busy today. Sasha was confused at first and then says that you both work together so you know about Man, but Geet says that it is not like that, we both live together. Sasha says I understand that the company must have provided a house to Man and you on rent. Geet says that it is not like that, actually Man and I are husband and wife, and Sasha was surprised to know that both of them are married, but she does not believe it, so she asks Man that Geet is lying, isn't it? Man says that it is not like that, Geet is really my wife and takes her with him, on which Sasha gets very angry that how can this happen. Later when both of them come home, Man asks that you were using me in front of Sasha, right? Geet says, did you notice this? Man says, absolutely, and says that you have changed a lot since school time. Geet thanks him for today, but Man says that there is no need to thank him, and today he had to go to dinner with his friends, so he asks her to come with him. Now Geet comes after changing her dress. Man says, you want to dress up like this and go to dinner with my friends, won't I be jealous? Geet asks, you will really be jealous? Man says, guess, and Geet says, I don't know, and Man starts choking, so he asks her to go quickly. Now Man introduces his friends to Geet, saying that Geet is his wife. One of Man's friends says, I am a few years younger than Man, so can I call you sister, and Man refuses to do this to Geet. Now Man quickly gets a call, so he goes to attend the call. Now Sasha had told Man's friend that Geet is the daughter of a mistress, so he starts telling Geet that how did Man choose you? Geet says then whom should Man have chosen? Man's friend says of course Sasha. Sasha and Man know each other since school time and both their families are also business partners, but you stole Sasha's identity. Geet says that it is not me but Sasha who has stolen my identity and he has spread false rumors that I am the daughter of a mistress, but in reality Sasha is the daughter of a mistress. Now Man must have heard all these things, so he is angry with his friend. Geet starts to abuse him and asks him to apologize to Geet, and Man's friend has to apologize even though he doesn't want to. Geet feels bad, but Man says that you don't need to take any bribe because of this, and Geet tells Man's friend that I have forgiven you and intentionally gives him more to drink, and Man's friend has to consume the drink even though he doesn't want to. Man asks his other friend to take care of him and leaves with Geet. Now Geet asks if their friendship will end because of that, but Man says that you don't worry, he will understand himself. Geet asks if she and Sasha know each other since school time. Man tells that since school time, Sasha's mom was maintaining a good relationship with my mom, but I didn't know that she had such an intention behind everything. Now Geet gets jealous that Man and Sasha know each other since school time. Man says that you were giving good answers in front of my friends and in front of me you are behaving like this. Why are you nervous? Geet thinks in her mind because I like you, and seeing her nervous, Maan goes close to her and kisses her, due to which Geet's heartbeat starts getting faster, so Geet runs away from there making an excuse of going to the toilet. Next morning Maan is going to his work, so he thinks that he should tell Geet about this, but he feels that it will not be right to disturb Geet while she is sleeping, so he leaves. Later Geet comes to know that Maan has left without telling her, so she thinks that after all they both are roommates and anyway Maan probably likes Sasha, so why would he tell me anything? Now Geet goes to her work and her senior tells her that the weather is not good today, but Geet says that now don't worry, I will handle everything properly. Now Geet gives her 100% from her side and guides Maan, and Geet's senior was very impressed. Here Maan's friend is praising Geet that the approach controller was so good, that's why we were able to land smoothly in such weather. Now Sasha was also in the same flight, who is an air hostess, and tries to talk to Maan, but Maan doesn't pay attention to her. Now Geet is waiting for Maan, then Sasha comes and starts showing off that she and Maan were in the same flight and says that Maan doesn't love you at all and he will get bored of you soon. Now Maan hears all this, so he says that how can I not know that I will get bored of Geet? Sasha starts saying that Geet doesn't deserve you, and if we both got married then we would be called another couple. Maan tells her to stop talking nonsense and says that I don't have any interest in you, and hearing this Geet starts laughing, on which Sasha gets very angry. After coming home, Maan thanks her for her right guidance, and again Geet's heart beats fast due to his closeness, so she makes an excuse to watch TV, but Maan says that he has to study some documents right now, so he asks her to watch TV alone. Later, when Maan comes, he sees that Geet has fallen asleep on the sofa while watching TV, so he lifts her coat. Soon, Geet gets a message from her senior, asking her to have dinner tomorrow, and Maan gets jealous that his wife is so popular. Next morning, Geet wakes up and is confused as to how she came to the bedroom. Now Geet sees someone's message and she thinks it is a wrong number, so she ignores it and apologizes to her senior that she will not be able to come for dinner. Actually, Maan had sent the message, but he was worried why Geet is not responding to him. Now, at night, Geet is watching a horror movie, and when Maan comes and sees the shade, she gets very scared and sees that it is Maan. Then out of fear she hugs him. Now Maan asks with an excuse that with whom did you have dinner today, and Geet says that I had ordered food at home. Maan says that I thought that you will go for dinner with someone. Geet starts saying that why are you behaving so strangely, and Fusan feels awkward, so he tells her to sleep and leaves. Now soon Geet's colleague tells that senior has invited our team for dinner tomorrow. Next morning Maan comes to the bathroom and sees that Geet is taking a shower, and the situation became very awkward for both of them. Geet tells that there was some problem in her shower, so she came to the guest room to take a shower, and Maan says with awkwardness that he will get it fixed soon. Now when Geet is going to get ready, Maan asks if she is going somewhere, and Geet tells that his senior has invited him for dinner and his other teammates are also going to come, and Maan gets curious, so he asks that should I drop you, but Geet tells that senior is coming to pick her up, but Maan cannot resist, so he asks about the location of the restaurant. Now everyone is coming after having dinner, so Geet's colleague says that senior cares for you a lot. Now senior talks about dropping her home, so Geet sees that Maan has come, so she goes to him. Geet is very happy to see him here and asks that how did you come here, and Maan makes an excuse that he came for dinner with his friend. Geet says that you asked about the restaurant, so I thought that you have come specially for me. Maan asks who is that man, and Geet tells that he is her supervising director and starts praising her senior, due to which Maan gets very jealous and says that you admire your senior too much. You don't look happy. Are you jealous because of your seniors? But Maan says that it is not like that. Now Geet thinks in her mind that Maan does not like her, then why would she be jealous? But looking at Maan, it was clear that he is very jealous and asks if your coworkers know about our marriage, but Geet says that they do not know right now, and Maan does not like to hear it. Now Maan cannot control himself, so he says that do you not want to tell me anything, and Geet was confused. Maan starts saying that I think your senior likes you, that is why he cares for you so much, But Geet says that it is not so, but Maan had understood that his senior definitely likes her. So he asks her to go and tell everyone about their marriage tomorrow. Geet says that then everyone will ask about my husband, so will it be right to take your name? Fang says what is the problem? Geet says that we both got married in a hurry and do not know what is going to happen in the future, so I thought that more people should know about our marriage. Now Maan doesn't like to hear this, so he deliberately says that your words make sense. Maan says then it's okay, we will keep our marriage hidden so that if we get divorced in future, no one will know. Now Maan gets very angry on hearing about divorce and says that you think like this about me. Geet says that it is not like that, but in the circumstances in which we got married, I don't know what is going to happen in the future. Maan doesn't like to hear this, so he deliberately says that it was a coincidence. I also think the same and Geet feels bad. Maan also feels that their marriage is not stable and can break anytime. When Maan goes to kiss her, Geet feels very strange, so she runs away from there making an excuse. Now Geet gets a call from her dad and Geet starts saying that he and mom have got divorced, then why are they calling her? Actually, Geet's father has been ignoring Geet since her childhood. He was still in the relationship and even today, under the influence of his second wife, he asks her to leave her job. Now when Maan goes to talk to him, he asks if he has really married Geet. Maan says that you are right and from now on I will not let anyone hurt Geet and cuts the call. Now Geet thanks him but Maan says that there is no need for thank you between us and asks her not to worry in any way. Now Maan buys an expensive ring for Geet and seeing all this, Sasha gets very angry and intentionally frames Geet that she has spoiled her ring and asks her to apologize by knocking down the compensator from the phone, but Geet was understanding his trick so she refuses to set the ring, and whenever there is a buzz and Sasha starts complaining, so he was ready to buy the compensator for the ring, but Geet refuses to buy the compensator from Maan and says that I know that you both have done this. They have intentionally framed me, and she shows them the CCTV camera and says that everything has been recorded here, that's why both of them leave from there in fear. Maan tells that he has brought a ring for her by giving it to her and says that I am sorry that we got married but I did not make you wear any ring, but Geet was very happy on seeing that ring. Soon Maan's mom calls and tells that she and Geet's mom are coming to meet them. Now Geet is tensed that both the moms should not come to know that both of them live in separate rooms, that's why Maan asks her to go home quickly and both of them together make the room as if both of them live in the same room. Now soon their mother comes and the truth was that both of them had come only to find out how their relationship is going, and they start looking around the house and both of them are convinced that Geet and Maan have a good relationship, that's why they say that they will come some other day and they do not want to disturb both the lovebirds. Now after both of them leave, Maan forbids Geet to worry and Geet asks him to sleep in the same room. Maan says, are you nervous? Geet says that since we both are married, we both should live together, and Geet had told him about it but she is a little nervous. Maan comes soon and quietly lies down beside her, and seeing her nervous, he says don't worry, I will not do anything with you until you are ready yourself. Geet says that actually I am afraid that I should do something with you, and Maan was confused. Geet says that it is okay if you don't find out. Maan says that now I am getting very curious after hearing this. Now Maan comes close to her. Geet gets scared that Maan is coming to kiss her but Maan switches off the light and goes to sleep. To be continued.